Hello, adventurers! Today we're embarking on a breathtaking journey to one of Europe's hidden gems, Finland. Known for its stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and the magical northern lights, Finland offers an unforgettable experience. So pack your bags and let's dive into the heart of this Nordic wonderland. Nestled in northern Europe, Finland is a land of contrasts. From the serene Baltic coastline to the dense forests and sparkling lakes, it's a nature lover's paradise. And let's not forget the urban charm of its cities, rich in history and modern flair. Our first stop is Helsinki, the vibrant capital. From the historic Senate Square to the cutting-edge design district, it's a city that seamlessly blends tradition with innovation. Next, venture to Rovaniemi, the official hometown of Santa Claus and Lapland's capital. Experience the unique blend of Lappish culture and Arctic nature. Don't miss the Finnish Lakeland, a mesmerizing maze of lakes, islands, and rivers. It's perfect for boating, fishing, and soaking in the tranquil beauty. The best time to visit Finland largely depends on what you're looking for. Summer brings endless daylight and vibrant greenery, ideal for hiking and city tours. Winter, on the other hand, is perfect for snow sports and experiencing the magical northern lights. For those seeking the road less traveled, Finland is full of hidden gems. Visit the archipelago of Åland for a peaceful retreat or explore the wild beauty of Koli National Park. Discover the charming old town of Porvoo with its cobblestone streets and colorful houses, or immerse yourself in the Sami culture in the remote village of Inari. A trip to Finland wouldn't be complete without witnessing the northern lights. The best time is from September to March, with Lapland offering some of the most spectacular views. Join us as we chase this natural wonder, learning about the best spots and times to catch this breathtaking phenomenon. From urban exploration to the awe-inspiring auroras, Finland offers a kaleidoscope of experiences. Whether you're an avid adventurer or a tranquil traveler, this Nordic nation has something special for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Finland. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.